Last one. We're going into agility shoulder tap. Start on the outside. Same thing as a moving push-up, except before you put your hand in, you gotta touch your shoulder. 3, 2, 1. This is the beast. This is the beast. Try to get 5 rounds. Try to get 5 rounds. Once you surpass that, then the work is gonna begin. I just finished one. Come on, come on. Go. Pull through the lats. Pull through the lats. That's right, Alicia. That's right. Is this 2 coming up? This is 2 coming up. You got 40 seconds to get 3 more. Come on. Alicia's a mother of twins, and she's part of the Asylum team, and she graduated Insanity. That's dedication right there. Come on, go. She finished 3. I think you're gonna get there. I think you're gonna get there. Dang. That was 3. I'm the one in control. I said it was 3. Come on, because it don't start till 5. Come on, come on. Is this 5 coming up in my book? Come on, come on. Well, you got 15 seconds to get 1 more. Can you get 1 more? Can you beat your record? Well, touch your shoulder, not your bicep. Come on. You got 8 seconds to get down. 5. You can do it. You can do it. 4. Keep on. Keep on. Get halfway back down. 3, 2. Time. Good job. Give it up. I like the roll.